Umndeni kaJafet Moyo ongomunye obekade egibele kuleli bhasi nomkakhe uthi ugcina ukukhuluma naye izolo ntambama kanti namanje awukezwa lutho.
I tried to phone it, but phone is not to pick up. Just phone are recording, no anyone to pick up the phone.
Leli bhasi belisuka eGqeberha eEastern Cape kanti belithwele abokudabuka eZimbabwe naseMalawi.
This bus left here on Saturday around 3 p.m. It was going to Harare, but it was a mix of Zimbabweans and Malawians. We do have buses from PE to Malawi, PE to Zimbabwe, so this one was a mix. Then we were going to move those Malawians people from Harare to another DNC bus to Malawi.
Abaphathi benkampani yamabhasi bathi nabo abakazi ngembangela yale ngozi.
Usually our crew members consist of 2 drivers and 2 hosts, but on this one there were 2 drivers and 1 host. So they are gone. And I haven't talked to anyone from the company to know what exactly had happened.
Inkampani ixolise kakhulu emndenini elahlekelwe.
We are sorry guys to all the families who lost their relatives. Yeah, we are very sorry.
Umphathiswa wezokuthutha eLimpopo udlulisa amazwi enduduzo emndenini eshonelwe.
And let me pass my condolences to the 2 countries that have lost their loved ones, Zimbabwe and Malawi. A 10-month-old baby passed on, the one who was airlifted to hospital.
Kunezinsolo zokuthi leli bhasi belilayishe isibalo eseqile sabagibeli.
We also have got 31, that is priority 2. Those are mild to severely injured. But then you also have got the remaining 12 being a priority 3. So when you add that total number, it gives you 49. And then you add the disease 42, it gives you 91. So logic and common sense will dictate to you, meaning this bus was overloaded.
Uphenyo luyaqhubeka mayelana nembangela yale ngozi.